Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a long time since we've made a video, so I'm just gonna do this today. So I have my tech deck stuff over here, and we also have a big police station and 2 motorcycles right there and 2 motorcycles over there. Superman and a car that I completely drew with black Sharpie on. It was completely red and now it's just covered with Sharpie. And it says Police Department, Police Dep, and I got the sirens. Not very good sirens, but so there's that car. Oh, also blacked out the rims. See? They're not very blacked out, but I did it. Blacked out these rims, not very blacked out either. But it does say police right there. It's a K9 unit. It's unit 9964. Police unit. And I don't know where the K9 is right now, but it's really just a mountain lion or a tiger. But so anyways, today we're going to be playing with tech deck stuff. And so I have a penny board, no, just a normal skateboard right there. And here's my camera, which I couldn't use today because it says that there is a card error. And then there's the SD card. Where's the longboard? There it is. Okay, and I have a finger longboard too. So the wheels that are on this longboard right now, right there, are the wheels that go to this board, which really, these wheels that are on here go to this board. These wheels that are on here go to this board. And these wheels that were on here originally were actually yellow, and I colored them with Sharpie black. I colored them black with a Sharpie. And so, yeah. Today I think I'm gonna be using this one. I'm pretty good at doing tricks with it. Not right now, but yeah, I don't think he saw that, but yeah, I've just been learning some new tricks, and I think it's a pretty cool board. So this, it's a longboard. It's pretty good to use. I like it. It's not very good to use for like tricks on here, on this ramp and the grinding bar and this grinding bar. Well, I can grind on this and this, but it's not very good at doing jumps and stuff. And it can do all kinds of things on here, like not very much, but yeah. Because the back wheels get hooked on this right here, and then it can't really go because it just goes but yeah. Anyways, so this is a normal tech deck, and this is the switched out wheels this is a tech deck with switched out wheels of the longboard. It says land yachts. I don't know what that means, but that says land yachts, and this says tech deck, which I just completely drew with Sharpie on it. And then this is a normal tech deck. Compare the wheels to this. They're kind of different. Yeah, but I mean, they're not that different. They're both tech decks, just different wheels, different bodies. But, okay, let's put all these other things away, and we'll start getting into the video. So, what the heck was that? Yeah. Hopefully we don't have school today.
Don't worry, I got it.
Yesterday we had school. I know if anybody is watching this, you probably didn't have school today if you're a kid, or yesterday, or all week, or next week, because it is winter break already for you guys that go to Centennial.
I can come back to life and kill you.
Yeah. This is kind of hard to do. I mean, I could put it right here, maybe. That didn't work. Yeah, that might work. Okay. Nope. Let's just do this. Boom. It's perfect. Anyways, did you see that? That was awesome. I just went like that. But it wasn't really awesome. But this is a really cool board. It says Gonzales up here. You can't see that, but it says Gonzales, and it's like some kind of chicken on a motorcycle right here. Yeah, maybe, yeah, right there. And then the trucks, I got some Sharpie on when I was doing the wheels, and they work good. Can't really just like, but can't really roll that well, but it's okay because it's a board. It's really good to operate because it's kind of heavier. Move it, dude. It's kind of, the wheels are kind of heavier than average wheels, like on this, because these big wheels that are on this board go to this board, which is the long board that says land yachts on it. I don't know why, but when these wheels right here were on this board, they were yellow, and it looked weird, so I just colored them black, so these wheels are black too. Yeah, I know you guys haven't seen a video for a long time. Today we have to go to school, but my mom said I could use her phone for a little bit. I'm using her phone to make this video because, like I said, my camera won't work. Well, it can work. It just can't. It can't, like. Here's the SD card. It's like all scratched up, and that's probably not good. So it works. It can record, but it has to get a new SD card. So yeah. Let's just get into this fingerboard stuff. I'm gonna try. I don't know if this is a kickflip, but maybe it is. Maybe it isn't. But I'm gonna do whatever it is. I'm gonna do a kickflip and a grind on the grind bar. And then I'll come around, and then I'll do a grind on this. Come down. Okay. Redo. It's okay.
Oh, whoa. What do you think you're doing, buddy?
Sure. There we go.
That's what you get.
Now, grind on the bar. Come back. Grind onto there. Jump off. So yeah. This is something that most people can't do on real skateboards. You can just lift the front wheel with the back wheels while they're riding and go up ramps and stuff, and not let this part hit the ground. Sarah, are you making a video?
No.
You should be. You should be. Because we haven't made one in a while. Okay, so now we're going to take out the stairs and the grinding bar, and we're going to put this little ramp next to this, and I'm going to try to do something. So what I'm going to do is it's going to go this. So this ramp right here is going to be facing like this over here more, and it's going to be like this, and this is going to be like this, and the board's going to come up and land right on it, right on the other board, and just go down. Also, look at this. Is this it? I forgot how to do it. Oh yeah, it's like this. No, it's like this. It's like this. I just go like this. Okay. Like that. I never just hold my fingerboard and ride. Most of the people that I know just like to do that. But I'm gonna get to the trick that I said I was gonna do. Let's move it right here so you can see it better. Okay, now I'm gonna do a kickflip, I guess, and land on this. did it.
I died.
Just landed.
Away.
So I'm gonna jump on here,
Oh, that guy
grind,
too.
and then try to jump off onto this ramp. Probably won't work, but I'm still gonna try it.
All that was. Thank you
No,
very
that
much.
didn't work, first of all.
That part, thank you.
Okay, this isn't gonna work.
Oh, there's a guy that's listening.
Whew! That was hard. I think I probably used my phone, but I don't really know. But I'm going to try to show you. So there's at least, there's this much room between these two right now. And I'm going to jump the board over both of them and try to clear this ramp and not touch it. Go. I did it. I did it. I just did it.
Because I pressed on that first.
There we go. Okay, that wasn't a lot, guys, but I'm just going to show you my fat riders and my motorcycles. I don't know if they're my fat riders, but so yeah, so I'll put my tech deck away, and then so this is a motorcycle that my friend gave to me, I think, which I've just found in my toy box the other day when we built the PlayStation. So I just throw that over there. Stupid tech deck. Oh, it was the long board, so yeah, okay. So yeah, we got that orange. We got this one. So pretty cool. Put it over here. Has a bottom kickstand right here. And then like a footrest, foot things. And then the handlebars and the brakes. So that's, put it over here. And just put it right there. And then we got the Honda, the normal speed bike Honda. It's made in China. Look, it says China right there. That's how I know it's made in China.
What are you
You
talking
played it
about?
for too long.
No, that's for
I
you.
don't have time now. You
So-
played it for too long.
Yeah. And my sister put this duct tape accessory on it. I don't know what it's for, but it doesn't have a kickstand, so I'll just put it like this. And just throw it over there. Okay, and then we have another bike just like this one, kind of, a little bit like this one. It's a blue Fat Rider, I think. It has a bottom kickstand. It's just like this one almost. Has the big wheels, and I don't know why, but I just put this marker thing on here, this Sharpie stuff. So that's it. Yeah. Okay, so there's all the motorcycles. Probably didn't enjoy the video, but hopefully you did. I'll see you later.